In the dark he flies low as he searches the ground, like a ghost, white face turning to listen for sounds. With wings beating, then gliding, a hushed form of flight, he targets his prey, diving down from a height. Locking on to the sound, talons ready to grasp, disappointed this time, tries again, holding fast. Locking on, talons ready to grasp, disappointed this time, tries again, holding fast. Chicks await in the nest, nestled close, downy white. As their father goes hunting, they wait through the night. By their mother kept warm, feathers darken to brown, till they fly from their nest in the tree, gliding down. Taught to hunt, taught to fly, they are now on their own. They have fledged, they are off, each to find its new home. The young owls have keen eyesight to aid in their search. Seeing far, they can target their prey from a perch.